Y'all, Adrice's Kitchen Travel Review is in Houston, Texas. Yes, I came in to take over Houston while the Chicago Bears play the game, right? But look, I'm staying at the Town Suite Galleria by Marriott, Bonvoy, right? And in room 404. So let me show you my digs, y'all. Look, this is the room. I have here a queen bed suite. Lots of lights, curtains, a sofa bed, and a food tray or laptop tray. It even has a desk here. Yes. And you got a little space here too, right? What's this? Oh, cabinet space. But this is a suite. This is when you want to come and stay for a little while, right? Nice size TV. Let's see what's in these cabinets. Oh, more space if you got to be here for a while, right? But look at this little kitchenette. It has the nerve to have a dishwasher. Can you believe that? Nice, huge microwave. Oh, yes. But it's a nice little setup here. I'm not going to be here but a couple nights. But I love Marriott's Town Suite. Nice size refrigerator. Ooh, let's take a look at the washroom, the bathroom. Okay. Nice little setup, bathroom. It smells so good here. Oh, they really do an excellent job with making things so clean and fresh. I love it. Fun. And of course, you know Adrice loves a mirror, right? I got two in here. Oh, Lord, I don't know how long I'm going to be in here looking at myself, right? Yeah. Oh, and now we're at the Town Suite Galleria in Houston, Texas. They have wash machine and dryers because it's a town suite. A lot of customers come in here and they stay for a while. Yeah, nice little setup, right? And here's the gym. A little exercise room. Nothing like a little exercise before you get out for your daily fun and adventure. This is the Town Suite Galleria, Houston, Texas. Oh, wow. Nice, huge closet. Iron board, iron. Yeah, if you plan on staying here for a while, trying to get a job, getting you a job or moving. So look, y'all. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm kind of all over the place. But it's actually kitchen travel reviews. Because sometimes I do cook in the kitchen. Thank you for watching. And every day, enjoy living your best life. Subscribe to my channel.